Unraveling Idioms. Time to make tracks, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might have left you scratching your head. Time to make tracks. Stick around as we break down its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. At first glance, time to make tracks might conjure images of trains laying down rails or someone drawing lines in the sand. However, in the realm of idiomatic expressions, it takes on a different meaning. This phrase is a casual way of saying it's time to leave or depart from a place. It's akin to other expressions like, time to hit the road, or time to scoot. To understand this idiom, let's take a brief journey back in time. The phrase, make tracks, suggests the act of leaving behind a trail or footprint, much like animals or people do when moving through soft ground. Its origins can be traced back to the early days of exploration and hunting, where the ability to track was essential. Over time, making tracks came to symbolize the act of moving or leaving, eventually evolving into the idiomatic expression we use today. Incorporating time to make tracks into your everyday language is a fantastic way to sound more like a native speaker. It's perfect for informal settings among friends or in casual conversations. Here are a few examples. As you're leaving a party, it's getting late, time to make tracks. Wrapping up a coffee meetup with a friend, looks like we've covered everything. Time to make tracks? Ending a work meeting that's run its course. We've hit all our agenda points. Time to make tracks, everyone. Remember, while it's a fun and casual phrase, it might not be suitable for very formal or professional situations. English is rich with idiomatic expressions that convey the idea of leaving. Knowing these variations can help you better express yourself and understand others. Some similar phrases include, time to hit the road. Let's blow this popsicle stand. Very informal and humorous. Time to head out. Let's skedaddle. Also informal and playful. Each of these expressions can add flavor to your conversations, allowing you to match the tone and context appropriately. We hope this exploration of time to make tracks has been enlightening and adds a new phrase to your English toolkit. Idioms like these enrich our language, making conversations more colorful and expressive. Remember, practicing these phrases in real-life situations is key to mastering their use. So next time you're about to leave, why not say, time to make tracks? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.